Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 23rd. Let's look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research, make your own decisions. So, pretty good day for Palantir as well as Tesla. Palantir closed up 87 cents. That equals to 3.43% at 26.27. Post-market, we seem to be down 2 cents. Who cares? So we finally broke outside of 24.40, our resistance that I was trying to negate, I was trying to deny. I was a resistance denier. So we were trying to get outside of it since June 17th, even on June 15th we tried, and we could almost say that we tried it also on June 8th. So these past 4 days have been difficult because we were trying to get outside of that, and the stock was getting stuck. I always say this, huh? So the stock is always stuck underneath resistances, and it was stuck underneath 24.40. But what was the good thing was that the lows were higher and higher and higher. So that was building pressure. So the support was getting higher and higher, and the resistance was putting a lid there, and then physics won, and then boom, we just basically exploded a little bit. So we have a nice green candle today. So the candle, look at this, the body of the candle sat almost right flush on 25.40. So this is again confirming that 25.40 was a special number. We have a nice green candle, small wick at the top, so we lost a little bit from the high of the day, so that's what the little wick means, and we lost or gained a little bit from the low of the day. So it's always nice to have a wick at the bottom because it shows that the price went down during the day, and then towards the end it went back up. So we always like it when prices end the day higher than they started the day at. This is what we like to see, because we like the price to go up through time. So time flies this way, and we want prices to go this way. So let's look at the hour chart to see. Wow, look at this. So this is the 9:30 candle. So at 9:30 or somewhere between 9:30 and 10:30, we had some transactions that happened below 25.42. So some people got lucky and got the stock below 25.40. But then, boom, we went in the first hour, we went up. The high was 26.34. So basically, within 1 hour, the stock had gained everything that it gained on the daily chart. And then we had a pullback. So we had a 50% pullback. This is the candle, and this is if you cut that candle in two, then you have 50%. And this is where the pullback was at. So 3 hours of pullback. And then it started going back up again. So this is a very healthy thing for a stock to do, to move up and then take a breather a little bit and then move back up again. This is you have a higher probability of having a longer term of movement when you have those little peaks and valleys. So nothing to complain about that. And towards the end of the day, we finished close to the high of the day. The high was 26.34, and we closed at 26.27, which is almost exactly the close of the first hour. So the first hour, the candle for the first hour closed at 26.26. and we closed today at 26.27. So we recovered 100% of our pullback after the first candle. What can I say? This is great. This is great. We had been waiting for it. Let's just make sure that our indicators don't show something else and that everything is in sync. No relation to the group. Okay. So stochastic 98.42. Fantastic. Super high. Nothing to complain about. MACD, yeah, crossed over, and the two lines are over zero, and the DMI is getting even wider. So this bodes well for Palantir. Let's just pull back a little bit to see if we can gather something else here. So the next stop, we have a resistance at 27. So look at this here. So 27 has been acting as support in the past, resistance, and I did not draw it before, but maybe it coincides to some use also. So basically 27 will be a resistance to reckon with, and also our channel here. So let's not forget our channel. Let me use this drawing tool here. So basically in terms of resistance, yeah, we have this one here and we have the 27. So what a resistance mean is that the stock might just cave in temporarily onto those resistances, and then might just continue the trend. The trend will be intact. The trend will be intact until we break the support. So this is what support means. So support means that we are in a trend, and the trend is a bull trend, a bullish trend. Let me just do it right. So until we break those two green lines, the stock should just keep continuing. It won't continue there forever. At some point, it's going to either break one or two of the green lines or break the red line, unless it just continues within there. So let's just ride this pony onto the horizon like Lucky Luke was doing. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. I read all of your comments. We have a Patreon account. We have a Discord server. We have a affiliate link for TradingView if you want to get the paid, save some money on your paid plan. I will wish you a great evening, and we are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.